Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to set up the Sony ZV-E10 for shooting some awesome videos. Let's turn it on. And the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the menu, find the yellow tab here, and on the page 3 we're gonna set up language, date and time. It's really important for organizing your files later. Press the recording button on your camera twice to enter the shooting video mode. Then go to the menu, find shooting settings. It's already open up here. It's the second tab, file format, and let's select 4K. Then in the record settings, we'll set frame rate for true cinematic quality. Now let's adjust slower and quicker in settings to give it a smooth and beautiful slow motion footage. Let's set it here. Set this one like this. Now let's go to menu one more time. Now we'll need a focus area. Let's set it up. So we're clicking here, focus area, and let's set it to wide. This will keep the focus across the entire frame, especially if you're moving. Let's set up our shutter speed. In order to do that, you just have to spin the camera wheel. And now you can set it up. Let's set 150. This one is optimal for the video at 24 FPS. Let's set up our ISO. So here let's set up for 250. This one is a great setting for shooting in a normal daylight conditions. Here you can adjust your white balance for the accurate colors in the daylight. Now in the main menu, you can turn off steady shot. So if you need to capture a wide angle view, just turn it off. It's already turned off on my camera. Now let's activate proxy recording. So we're going to the shooting settings, and here we go, proxy recording. Let's turn it on. And this feature would allow the camera to record both in 4K and 1080p versions of your video, which is handy for editing on a less powerful computer. For the handheld shooting, I will recommend you to turn on a steady shot. This one will turn it on to active, and this one will allow you to shoot it stably. Let's turn on our marker display. This feature will help you to understand that you are recording. You'll see a red frame on the screen. Let's check it out. You see, you're recording. Don't forget to activate your audio recording, and also please enable Windows reduction, so while you're speaking or there's wind in your recordings, it will help you to cope with it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.